Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of seeing my video, if it's your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. For my old supporters, for my old subscribers, for my returning subscribers, oh my god, thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support, for your encouragement. Without you watching my video, I don't think I would be here, but thank you so much. So guys, on this video I'm going to show you how I made this I call it summer twist and lock. This hot weather, this season, you can make this for yourself, for your daughter, especially this season that they always go for swimming. This is best hair. No, don't need a hair extension or whatever, just with only your natural hair. That is what I used to make this hair. If you want to see how I made this hair, if you want to see everything about the hair, just sit back. And continue watching. And please, at the end of the video, if you like the video, if it's the kind of video you like to watch, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Okay, just sit back and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much for watching up on this time. If you have not given the video a thumbs up, please, it's not too late. Just give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, any suggestion or any hair or any correction, any hairstyle suggestion. You are free in the comment section. And please subscribe, on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. So guys, you can give the hairstyle a try. You can try to make the hairstyle. Okay, I'll see you on my next video. For now, bye.